Hello everyone, I am Kadambini and you are watching Kadambini Srusti. So today what we are going to discuss? In this video we will discuss 8 common errors that we generally come across while talking in English in our daily situations. So let us go one by one. What are the mistakes that we do in our life and in our English sentences? So the first one is 5 kilometers are not a long distance these days. You just tell me what is the mistake here. Yes, it is otherwise also known as the subject-verb agreement. So what verb should be used with this particular subject, that is 5 kilometers. So when we have s at the end, that means our verb should be plural. But that is not the thing here. Then what is the correct one? Yes, so this total 5 kilometers, it is taken as a whole, a single unit. So the answer is 5 kilometers is not a long distance these days. This is not R. Why? Because in the right you can see a long distance. Though A is used here, so the subject should take one singular verb, that is. Okay, and let us move to the second sentence. So the second sentence is the jury were divided in their opinion. You just mark here what should be the subject and what should be the verb. Here jury means what? Plural or singular? Jury means plural one. And what about the verb? Verb should be plural or singular? Was or were? There is a sort of confusion, and generally when we see jury is plural, so let us use plural verb. But we have to go and see the other part of the sentence. As the other part here in their opinion. So you tell me what should be the verb. There means plural, so the verb should be were. Suppose another example, in the same way the jury was divided in its opinion. Now you tell me whether it is a correct one or a wrong. Yes, in its opinion, its means singular, so the verb should be was, and it is used in the same way, so it is a correct one. Another sentence, the fourth one, the furniture need to be repaired. You just mark here whether it is a correct one or there is something wrong in it. Yes, furniture. Furniture means singular or plural? Mark here, furniture itself is uncountable noun. Uncountable means what should be the verb? Here the verb should be singular, as in case of food or clothing or jewelry or stationery. These are uncountable nouns. So we have to take the help of singular verb. So here this is the third person singular number, the verb. So the furniture needs to be repaired instead of need to be repaired. Let us move to the fifth sentence. So the fifth sentence is a herd of elephants is seen in the village. So now you tell me, a herd of elephants. Elephants means it is a plural. Okay. So the verb should be plural. That means are or were. But it is used is. Then it is a correct one or a wrong sentence. Here, though it is taken total as a whole, a single unit, so we have to use singular verb instead of plural. That means the sentence is correct. Okay, we can say a crowd of people, a bunch of keys, or a group of smugglers. So these are the singular, as it is used in a group, as a whole, a single unit. Now let us move to the sixth sentence. Another sentence is Gulliver's Travels were written by Jonathan Swift. You tell me whether it is a correct one. Yes, Gulliver's Travels. It is the name of a book written by Jonathan Swift. So what should be the verb? Was or were? It is used were because there is a S. So what is it? It should be was or were? It should be was because this is the name of a single book, though it is used S at the end and its name is such. So we have to use a single verb, singular verb, that is was. So the sentence is The Gulliver's Travels was written by Jonathan Swift. Another sentence here we can have bread and butter are my favorite breakfast. You just mark here. Here we have two things, bread and butter. So we think to use the plural, that is are. But when these two are regarded as a single object, so we have to use the singular verb. So what is the correct sentence? Bread and butter is my favorite breakfast instead of are my favorite breakfast. Okay? The last, that is the eighth sentence. Let us see what is it. So the sentence is each of the students were given a prize. That means everyone got a prize. So what should be the verb? Each one, each of the students. What should be the verb here? Was or were? Each means a single, though it is used at the end, that is students. So we may think to use a plural, but it signifies a single person. So we have to use a single verb, that is was, not were. So each of the students was given a prize. Okay. So here also we can say one of the girls or one of the boys or one of the villagers. So one or each, that means or every. We have to use the single verb instead of plural. So let us wind up the class here. So thought of the day, do what is right, not what is easy. I repeat my thought, do what is right, not what is easy. Okay, so right things should be done. Now take care. The time is very dangerous these days. So please take care of yourself and your near and dear ones during this corona pandemic situation. Stay home, stay blessed. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.